Hello, my name is Igor Stoyazhuk. I'm a creator of Your Working Points. Your Working Points is task and workflow management for repair shops. You could use it for medium size and small size repair shops. It covers task flow, staff, clients, warehouse management, and now it's completely free. So let's go further, sign up, create our first company. It will be FOB 2477, just for example, FOB 2477 email. Password, save, create your first point. So concept of points, it's like you could use that point, it's like service center. You can create from 1 to infinity count of points. For this explanation, I'm going to create service center for electronic devices, and for example, name of first service center point will be point 1, and we have to add phone number. It will be available for some clients documents, guarantee, etc. For example, write this test phone number, create, and here you go. You can see CRM. Now you have one worker, it's owner, role owner, it's you. Status active, email, and you have 1 point. Let's create second point. Point 2, phone number, create. Okay, we have now point 1, point 2, and let's create task for point 2. For example, we have one phone for repair, and screen doesn't work. Make some description, deposit. For example, it could be some price for testing device, I don't know, maybe $20. When you write email, phone, email name, it will create new client, and you will have possibility for manage this client, make some notes for this client, and choose this client for other tasks. Okay, create tickets. So let's go for home page. So now we have 2 service centers, 2 points. 1 point has 1 ticket, and we have possibility to filter tasks. no, point 2 have ticket, or we can see all tickets without filtering, so doesn't matter. We have one ticket. Let's go to this ticket for editing. So in this ticket you can see date when this ticket was created, client font number, some other information, description. So it's like Trello, a classical Kanban board. You can choose status, priority, assign for some user. For example, it will be for me. And you can choose point, service center, where is this device will be located, or now located is. Add some notes, etc. For example, in this case, you have few screens for iPhone 12, and you have to ask client what screen you have to choose. You have to install for this iPhone, because you have, for example, one original screen and second not original, something else, I don't know. Right flow for electronic devices and service center. So we can ask, write note, ask the client which screen to install, and change status to ask client, assign to manager, or some person who can call to the client, or something else. Update ticket. And if you go to tickets page, now we see this notification. Important, those tickets need communication with the client. So it's because we put status ask a client, and that is why your manager and your workers will see this notification, and it's very important to communicate with client and decide what option client will choose. For example, our manager have communicated with client, decide what screen we have to install, and write in the notes decision. For example, option 1 or something like this. Change not priority, status in box. Now we have only one worker, but you can add additional workers. It could be with different roles: administrator, master, etc. For example, we just imagine we change user to master and update task. So for following this example, I'm going to create new inventory item. It will be screen iPhone 12. This inventory item will be located on point 1. So this is MVP version of CRM, and now you couldn't choose and add supplier and category, but I'm going to add it. So some serial number, phone number of supplier, or warranty day, I think could be 30 days. Receive date, for example, today, total quantity. For example, we bought 2 screens. Purchase price $100, retail price 120. Description, add an entry item, and now if you go to our task, you can see this button, choose part from warehouse. So we see now screen iPhone 12. So you will see available items from warehouse. You can use drop down or filter it by, for example, screen, by this field. For example, we will choose this inventory item count and update. So okay, now we can see, if you go to inventory items, that we use one item in this ticket. Oh, voila, our ticket. So and you can, I think you could use this button, print repair order also. Repair order, this repair order will contain information about electronic device. QR code for this ticket, it will be useful for your assistant for quick access for this task, ID and other information. Okay, and you could use this button, for print special labels for repair items. For example, you can print this sticker and put it to repair device. This sticker will have a QR code. If you scan this QR code, you directly go to this task, and you can see ID of this task, description, and etc. Yes, and so we can, after that we fixed this electronic device, we can change status to done, and your manager can filter all tasks by done status, and then communicate with client, tell about price, some information, and then you, when client will paid, you can use this paid status, and then provide guarantee. For example, if you choose paid status, you can make guarantee paper guaranteed deal. For example, we will provide guarantee for one month, put date and print guarantee, and so here you go. You can see guarantee list and you can print it for client, and this information will be stored in your CRM. And okay, it's understandable, I think, all clients. So when we created our task, we automatically create our first client, Alex. Alex and Alex phone. You can write a description at email, and when you will create next client, Alex number will be in the list, so you can just choose Alex. For example, if Alex provides second device for repair or something else. So it's understandable. I think it's not big deal. And workers, you can add employee, because now we have only one employee. You can add, for example, master employee, write email, name, phone, description, and send invite, and your potential employee could follow a special link what you will send to email, and make a registration for your CRM, for your cabinet. So okay, this is all. I think now this is a MVP version of your working points. I'm looking for clients, and I'm going to follow your notes, your review of this application. I can add additional features. So if you desire add some new feature, you can just write email for me. You can find email in general site, info your working points app. Just write email for me with description what you like to see, what feature you like to see in this application. Maybe you will catch some bug or something else. So for today this is all. Thanks for listening, and use this application for your repair shops. Take care. Bye.